Hi, it's Christian, founder at Pareto.com. We are the CCIE leaders. Today I'm going to talk to you about experience, because you see, this is a thing that is evergreen. I keep hearing this all the time. There are people so confused saying, oh, I need to move up into my career in IT, or I need to start my career in IT, but they ask me for experience. And then I hear the escalation, because this comes very, very soon. They say to me, they don't ask me for experience. They ask me for 15 years experience, 20 years experience, 25 years experience. I say, guys, please, stop. So, as I explained so many times, no one, and I'm saying no one, has experience when they start. I didn't have experience, and also the person who's asking you for experience didn't have experience when they start. So, if you say to you, well, but for this position specifically, you need experience, what they mean is that you need to know your stuff. So there is a huge difference. Now think about it. If you are in an interview and you arrive at the last phase of the interview and you are with another guy, and now the company has to make a decision between you and this guy. And they say, because everyone now uses this myth of the experience, that you need 15 years experience to get the position. Now, you don't have it, but you know your stuff. This means that when they ask you, for example, a question about OSPF, about BGP, or about MPLS, you know the answer. And the other guy says, sorry, I don't know the answer, but I have 15 years experience. Who do you think the company will hire? Now, you'll be shocked, but I have people, they say to me, well, even in this case, they will hire the guy with 15 years experience. We arrived at this point. This is a lie. It's a lie that has been created in the market, and is a lie that people really believe. But the truth is that when they say they need experience, you need experience, they mean you need to know your stuff. You need to know how the protocol works, and you need to know how to do the practical activities and to configure correctly each protocol they need. This is what they need. So they assume that if you had previously experienced doing these things for another company, now you know how to do it. So the big misunderstanding comes into place because there are so many people, they don't do the work properly, meaning they don't learn properly, they don't build solid foundations, they focus on memorizing questions, they get certifications, and then they show up at a job interview and they don't know anything. They don't know the concepts, and they don't know, of course, anything about the practical activities. And this generates this huge misunderstanding. So, how to solve this problem? The only way, you need to start doing the practical from the very beginning. And because we understand this, because we understand that you want to move on in your career very fast, now we have 0 to lab, totally live, on Zoom. You have 2 appointments per week. One is on Friday at 10 p.m. Eastern, and one is on Saturday at 10 p.m. Eastern. We start on the 29th, which is Friday, 29th of September. This is the very last one with the incentives. So if you are our CCIE student already, no brainer. but it's the last time. And if you are new, we can propose you either the bundle, so you can purchase together 0 to CCIE plus 0 to lab at a specific price I'm going to share with you if you schedule a Zoom session with me right now, or if you are already at CCNP level, you can jump into 0 to lab now, because we are going live in few days. So this is your time. This is the last possibility you have for this year to join this crazy, I call it bootcamp, this 26 weeks program, and you start doing the hands-on from day one. So it's really a unique opportunity you have to get real experience and get the best positions. So schedule a Zoom session with me right now. Thanks.